Ever wonder why Scandinavian homes always seem so clean, calm, and effortlessly organized? It's not because they spend all day cleaning or own expensive houses. Instead, they rely on a handful of simple daily habits that prevent mess before it starts. These routines take only a few minutes, yet they keep homes feeling fresh every single day. Today, we'll explore 20 Scandinavian habits that keep their homes clean, and many of them are surprisingly easy to start yourself. One of the first habits you'll notice in Scandinavian homes is that shoes rarely go past the front door. Outdoor shoes carry dirt, dust, moisture, and bacteria that quickly spread across the floors. Family members and guests simply remove their shoes before entering. Many homes provide comfortable indoor slippers instead. This simple habit keeps floors cleaner for much longer. It also reduces the amount of sweeping and mopping needed each week. For Scandinavians, a cleaner home begins with keeping the outdoors outside. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps the home looking clean is making the bed every morning. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it instantly makes the entire bedroom feel tidy. A made bed also makes it less tempting to leave clothes and other items lying around. This small routine creates a sense of order before the day even begins. Many Scandinavians believe a clean home starts with one simple completed task. Small habits repeated every day are often more effective than occasional deep cleaning. For Scandinavians, making the bed is an easy way to begin the day with a clean, organized home. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is putting things back as soon as they're finished using them. Instead of leaving items on tables or countertops, everything is returned to its proper place. This prevents small piles of clutter from building up throughout the day. It also means you'll spend less time searching for things later. Just a few seconds of tidying after each task can save hours of cleaning over time. That's why Scandinavian homes often stay organized without feeling like they're constantly being cleaned. For Scandinavians, every item has a home, and that's exactly where it belongs. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is cleaning as they go instead of waiting for messes to pile up. While cooking, they wash a few dishes, wipe the countertop, and put ingredients back in place. Small spills are cleaned immediately before they become stubborn stains. This keeps the kitchen looking tidy even before the meal is finished. It also makes cleaning after dinner much faster and less stressful. Spending a few minutes during the task saves much more time later. For Scandinavians, staying clean is easier than getting clean. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes feeling clean is opening the windows every day. Even during colder months, many families let fresh air circulate through the house for a few minutes. Fresh air helps remove stale odors, excess moisture, and stuffy indoor air. It also creates a brighter, fresher atmosphere throughout the home. This simple routine is often part of the morning, right after making the bed. Just a few minutes of fresh air can make the entire home feel cleaner without using any products. For Scandinavians, a fresh home starts with fresh air. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is never leaving dirty dishes in the sink overnight. Before going to bed, the kitchen is reset for the next day. Plates are washed, countertops are wiped, and everything is put back where it belongs. Waking up to a clean kitchen makes the entire morning feel calmer and more productive. It also prevents unpleasant odors and dried-on food from building up overnight. Spending just 10 minutes in the evening saves much more time the next morning. For Scandinavians, ending the day with a clean kitchen is the beginning of a better tomorrow. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is doing small loads of laundry regularly instead of waiting for huge piles. Clothes are washed before the laundry basket overflows. Clean clothes are folded and put away soon after drying. This prevents bedrooms and chairs from becoming covered with clothing. Smaller loads are also quicker and easier to manage. A little laundry every few days feels much less overwhelming than an entire weekend of washing. For Scandinavians, staying on top of laundry helps the whole home stay clean and organized. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is decluttering a little every day. Instead of waiting for a major cleaning day, they remove small amounts of clutter whenever they notice it. A book is returned to the shelf, yesterday's mail is recycled, and unnecessary items are put away immediately. These tiny actions take only a few minutes but prevent clutter from growing. Because mess never has the chance to build up, the home stays naturally organized. Daily decluttering also makes deep cleaning much easier and less stressful. For Scandinavians, keeping a clean home is about consistency, not perfection. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is keeping everyday surfaces as clear as possible. Tables, countertops, and shelves aren't used as permanent storage. Only a few carefully chosen items stay on display, while everything else is put away. Clear surfaces instantly make a room feel larger, brighter, and more peaceful. They also make dusting and wiping much faster. With fewer objects to move, cleaning becomes a simple daily task instead of a big project. For Scandinavians, empty space is just as valuable as the furniture itself. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is wiping the bathroom after using it. Water spots, toothpaste, and soap splashes are cleaned before they have time to build up. A quick wipe of the sink, mirror, or shower takes less than a minute. These tiny habits prevent deep cleaning from becoming a huge chore. The bathroom stays fresh, bright, and welcoming every day. Because mess never accumulates, cleaning feels quick instead of overwhelming. For Scandinavians, a clean bathroom is maintained through small daily actions, not occasional marathon cleaning sessions. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is simply owning less. Before buying something new, many people ask whether they truly need it. Fewer belongings mean fewer things to organize. Every item has enough space instead of being crammed into overflowing cabinets. This makes the entire home feel calmer and much easier to maintain. Cleaning takes less time because there are fewer objects in the way. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is spending just 10 minutes tidying every evening. Instead of saving everything for the weekend, they reset the house before going to bed. Toys are put away, cushions are straightened, blankets are folded, and surfaces are cleared. These small tasks prevent clutter from building up overnight. The next morning begins in a home that already feels clean and organized. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is organizing better instead of buying more storage. Rather than filling the house with extra bins and shelves, they make better use of the space they already have. Drawers, baskets, and cabinets are carefully organized, so every item has its own place. When everything has a home, putting things away becomes quick and effortless. Well-organized storage also prevents clutter from spreading into everyday living spaces. A tidy home isn't about having more storage. It's about using it wisely. For Scandinavians, thoughtful organization keeps the home naturally clean. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is focusing on one room at a time. Instead of trying to clean the entire house in one exhausting session, they complete one space before moving to the next. This approach feels more manageable and helps every room receive proper attention. Finishing one room also creates a sense of progress and motivation. Even 15 minutes can completely refresh a single space. Another Scandinavian habit that helps keep homes clean is making the most of natural light. Curtains are opened wide each morning to brighten every room. Sunlight makes dust, fingerprints, and clutter much easier to notice. Because they can see small messes early, they clean them before they become bigger problems. Bright rooms also feel fresher, larger, and more inviting. This simple morning habit costs nothing, but makes the whole home feel cleaner. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is sharing the responsibility with the whole family. Cleaning isn't seen as one person's job. Children learn from an early age to put away toys, make their beds, and help with simple chores. When everyone contributes a little, no one becomes overwhelmed. Small daily tasks also teach responsibility and respect for shared spaces. A clean home becomes easier to maintain because cleaning is part of everyday life. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is dealing with small problems before they become big ones. A loose cabinet handle is tightened, a burned-out light bulb is replaced, and a dripping tap is fixed as soon as possible. Small repairs prevent clutter, damage, and bigger maintenance jobs later. Instead of ignoring little issues, they take just a few minutes to solve them. This keeps the home looking well cared for every day. Regular maintenance also helps furniture and household items last much longer. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is keeping cleaning supplies exactly where they're needed. Instead of storing everything in one distant cupboard, they keep basic supplies close to the rooms where they're used. A cloth under the bathroom sink or a spray bottle in the kitchen makes quick cleaning effortless. When cleaning only takes a few seconds to begin, people are much more likely to do it right away. Another Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is finishing one task before starting the next. After cooking, the kitchen is reset before moving on to relax. After reading, the book goes back on the shelf. After changing clothes, they go into the wardrobe or laundry basket instead of onto a chair. Completing each task completely prevents dozens of small messes from collecting throughout the day. This simple habit makes the home stay organized almost automatically. For Scandinavians, every finished task leaves the home just as tidy as they found it. The final Scandinavian habit that keeps homes clean is ending every day with a complete home reset. Before going to bed, they take a few minutes to walk through the house. Cushions are straightened, lights are switched off, blankets are folded, and anything left out is returned to its proper place. This simple evening routine means the home is ready for a fresh start the next morning. Instead of waking up to yesterday's mess, they wake up to calm, order, and clean spaces. These small nightly habits are one of the biggest reasons Scandinavian homes stay consistently tidy. For Scandinavians, tomorrow begins with the way they leave their home tonight. Keeping a clean home isn't about spending hours cleaning every weekend. As Scandinavians have discovered, it's the small habits repeated every day that make the biggest difference. You don't need to adopt all 20 habits at once. Start with just 1 or 2, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how much cleaner and calmer your home begins to feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.